Hi, this is Adam Greenman from Greenman Garden Tools, and this is our Anvil Pruner. This guide will show you how to look after and maintain your secateurs for years to come. You will need a 13 and 14mm spanner, a flathead screwdriver, an oily rag, a sharpening steel or stone, some wire wool and some oil. Stage 1. First we need to remove the volute spring. This will stop all the parts flying across the workshop. A simple pull will release it. Stage 2. With a flathead screwdriver, undo the tensioning lock. Stage 3. With the number 13 spanner at the front and the number 14 spanner at the back, remove the main bolt. Stage 4. To remove the blade, simply press firmly down on the work surface and it should just pop off. Stage 5. Inspect the anvil and with a screwdriver run through the groove to get rid of any gunk or sap that may have accumulated. Stage 6. Anvil pruners have a bevel on both sides of the blade, similar to a knife. So with your sharpening stone, working from one side first, at an angle of around 20 degrees, move up the blade, keeping a nice even pressure. Turn the blade over and with the same number of strokes, do the same on the other side. Stage 7. Put a drop of oil on both sides of the blades and around the top of the handle. And wipe down with an oily cloth. Stage 8. Place the blade onto the locating pins of the handle and firmly push down. Stage 9. Place the large flat round washer in the middle of the blade with the handle on top. A drop of oil here is not going to do any harm. And with the screwing from the blade side, screw through the handles. Stage 10. Place the beaked washer over the protruding nut with the beak pointing at the locking mechanism. Screw down the tensioning nut, being careful not to over tighten. Now with the teeth of the tensioning retainer, align them with the teeth on the tensioning nut and screw down. Add the volute spring, and away we go.